back to my channel. Have you ever seen an animal that loves water so much it bathes in mud every single day? This isn't a wild beast, it's the water buffalo. Calm, powerful, and incredibly useful, these animals are the quiet heroes of farms across Asia and Europe. They don't just help plow fields, they produce milk that's creamier, thicker, and richer than any cow can offer. That milk becomes the secret ingredient behind one of the world's most loved foods, mozzarella cheese. But their life isn't all hard work. They enjoy daily mud baths to cool off and stay healthy, live in wide open spaces, and get top quality care. So what's it really like to raise these gentle giants? How do farmers turn their milk into something delicious? And why are water buffaloes so important in farming communities? Stick around. We're about to explore everything from baby buffaloes and feeding routines to milking, meat processing, and cheese making. You'll never look at mozzarella the same way again. Water buffaloes are powerful yet calm animals. You'll often find them in the warm, wet parts of Asia, especially in rice-growing areas where fields are always muddy or flooded. These animals are well-suited for that environment. But they're not just farm helpers. Water buffaloes are a big part of daily life in countries like India, Pakistan, and even Italy. Farmers raise them for many reasons: to plow fields, carry loads, and most importantly, for their milk and meat. Buffalo milk is richer and creamier than cow milk. It has more fat and protein, which makes it perfect for cheese, butter, and yogurt. If you've ever eaten real mozzarella, there's a good chance it came from buffalo milk. Now, why the name water buffalo? The answer is simple. These animals love water, not just for drinking, but for cooling off. On hot days, they'll happily spend hours in mud or ponds. To them, it's not a mess, it's comfort. These daily dips help control their body temperature and protect their skin from bugs and the sun. Without water, they struggle. It's not a luxury, it's part of how they survive. Water buffaloes need more than just open fields. Their health starts with what they eat. Farmers feed them a mix of fresh green grass, dry hay, and nutrient-rich pellets made just for them. This diet keeps them strong, supports muscle growth, and helps boost their milk supply. If the food quality drops, so does their health and milk output. That's why farmers never take shortcuts when it comes to feeding. But a proper diet is only part of the equation. These animals need room to move and roll around, and not on dry land. They need water, mud, and wet soil. You'll often find them lying in puddles, soaking in ponds, or relaxing in swampy patches. It's not play, it's necessary. Their thick skin traps heat, so mud baths cool them down, protect against sunburn, and keep away bugs and bacteria. It also helps prevent skin infections. Without regular access to mud and water, they can fall sick quickly. So next time you see a buffalo covered in mud, remember, it's not dirty. It's how they stay clean, cool, and healthy. Water buffaloes usually give birth once a year, and each time they have one calf. When a calf is born, it stays very close to its mother. For the first 2 months, it depends only on her milk. That milk is rich in nutrients and gives the baby buffalo everything it needs to grow strong and healthy. As the calf grows, it slowly starts eating solid food like grass, hay, and grains. This shift helps develop its stomach and prepares it for adult life on the farm. The change happens carefully, so the calf doesn't get sick. As the months pass, male buffaloes begin to grow much larger than females. Adult males can reach over 2,200 pounds and stand very tall, built with thick bones and heavy muscles. Females grow to around 1,900 pounds, and are a little shorter, but still strong and steady. Both are tough, calm animals that handle hard farm work well. When a female buffalo reaches maturity, she's ready for milking. Farmers treat her gently. They first clean and massage her udder to make her feel calm. Then, they use milking machines to collect the milk. This method keeps things clean, fast, and safe, making sure the buffalo stays comfortable the whole time. Once the buffalo is milked, the real magic begins. That milk isn't like regular cow's milk. It's creamier, thicker, and packed with nutrients. It's the secret behind authentic mozzarella cheese. To make it, the milk goes through a careful heating and stretching process. The temperature must be just right, usually around 42 degrees Celsius. Too hot or too cold, and the texture won't be right. Next, the milk is stirred and stretched over and over until it turns into a soft, stretchy dough. This is what gives mozzarella its famous pull and bounce. Skilled workers sometimes stretch it by hand, especially in smaller farms, while larger factories use machines to speed things up. After shaping the cheese into round balls or blocks, it's cooled in cold water and then packed for stores. But buffalo farming isn't just about cheese. Some buffaloes are raised for meat. Once they're old enough and healthy, they go through detailed inspections. Only those that meet strict health standards are processed for meat. Buffalo meat is lean, full of protein and rich in minerals like iron, zinc, and selenium, all of which support energy, body growth, and a strong immune system. These animals aren't just farm animals. They're a vital part of life in many countries. They feed families, drive agriculture, and keep communities strong. Water buffaloes live a life closely tied to humans, from helping in the fields to feeding families with rich milk and meat. Their care, their role, and their gentle nature all deserve more attention. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures, hit that like button and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at how the world really works. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.